We've made major improvements now in our face milling operation. If we were to go into our face milling operation, we now have a new option called stock-based boundary. The boundary is now automatically based according to the updated stock, and there is no geometry that has to be picked. This option here was the traditional way of working. So let's go over here by using stock-based boundary. And as I said, this is set as the default. If I go to my levels, we've also added here another option. The new option that we have here is that we have our levels by top of target or user defined. As default, it'll come in by top of target. So it'll automatically go to wherever the top of the target is. Let's just do a quick save and calculate. And if we take a look at the toolpath, you'll see that the toolpath is according to the exact size of the boundary of the stock. If we take a look at the actual stock itself, you'll see that this is exactly where it is at the moment. Now I've taken the liberty and I've added another operation here to machine the outside of the part. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch the order between these two operations. I'm going to take the face mill and put it after the operation that machined the outside of the part. Now, let's do a quick calculation again of everything that's here. And you'll note that the face mill operation will take on a new toolpath. This toolpath is now according to the shape of the new updated stock that we have.